Today we're talking about something new. It's in the oceans, in lakes, in your backyard, and in ponds. That's right. It's calculus. But what is calculus? Well, we went and asked some people that very question, and here's what they said.
Is it a dog?
Is it a car?
I'm gonna have to say calculus is it's a carrot.
Calculus is the study of change using derivatives and integrals.
In fact, none of these answers are correct. The dark wizard Isaac Newton invented this black magic. The world around you is a facade, and in fact you are not even real. Today we're discussing related rates. But how are they related? Are they related like you and your creepy uncle? No. They're related by space, and even by time. Let's talk to this boy about related rates. Do you know what related rates are?
Who's there?
It's me. Now, do you know what related rates are?
No!
That's right, you don't. But we're here to stuff your head with knowledge the same way a dead animal is stuffed before being mounted. Let's look at example number 1. Take this boy drinking soda from his perfectly conical cup. Don't you hate when this happens to you?
Yeah, this really sucks.
Well, fortunately, we can help you with your problems. No, not the draining liquid, but at what height it is, at what time. The most important problem of all. Let's see how. So, this is the work we have to do to solve such an equation. But first, we need some background. The volume equation looks like this, and when you derive it, we get negative 2 inches squared per second. Step number 1. Remember, we're trying to find the height of the liquid over different times. To find that, we need the radius, which is 1/3 h. Then, we plug that into our volume equation that we've calculated. Now we derive, and then we plug the numbers into what we've derived. Then, with some simple simplifying, we have our answer. It is adjusting at 1.4 inches per second.
This is awesome!
Are you ready to learn about more related rates?
Am I ever?
Sadly, this boy will never be seen or heard from again. Instead, we'll look at a new boy for example number 2. Now this new boy has betrayed the Brotherhood's oath of secrecy, and he must be punished accordingly. Let's watch what happens. Now, the boy's splash is a perfect circle because all humans are spheres. But did the boy survive the crash? And how fast is the area of the circle changing? Let's answer the second question. So here's the work we would need to do to solve this problem. First, know that the radius is changing at a rate of 2 feet per second, and that we want to find the area at a time of 12. Now, what we do is derive the area equation. Then we plug in our numbers into this equation, and we have our answer of 48 feet squared per second. Now calculus is a very important thing, as you've seen, with all sorts of uses, like in baking. Yes, good baking. And also in fun recreation, in flower watching, in rollerblading, and in sports. Clearly, calculus is extremely important, which is why you should remember it when you look around you.